In this video tutorial, we will show you how to complete the initial load from Postgres to BigQuery and establish a change data capture using Striim's Flow Designer templates. First, we will set up your initial load application to move all your existing data over from Postgres. To get started, we will go to the Create App page in Striim. You can search for the correct source, in this case Postgres, and target BigQuery. Select the appropriate template in Striim's Flow Designer, name your initial load application, and click Save. Configuring Postgres as a source requires your IP address or host name, port, username, and password. Once these are validated, you will select which schemas you are going to move and any associated tables. Now you will connect to BigQuery. Enter the project ID, service account key, and the tables you want to connect. Under Advanced Settings, enter your batch policy and other details as necessary. Next, Striim will ask you if you'd like to migrate the source schema over to the target automatically and to verify permissions to be able to do so. Select the blue Yes, Migrate My Schema, and Move Data button to begin the migration and watch as the initial load is completed in real time. We will start the application and can watch as the initial load is completed in real time. Our Striim application progress screen shows that 1,000 events have been moved from Postgres to BigQuery. We can validate our data directly in BigQuery to confirm that our data has successfully been migrated. Now that you have completed the initial load from Postgres to BigQuery, we will create a change data capture application. You will need to follow many of the same steps you did for your initial load application. Create your application using Striim's Flow Designer. Search for and select the appropriate application template. Just as with the initial load, you'll need details such as the URL, username, password, and table names. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to complete the configuration steps. Next, you will deploy and start your application. Click the eye icon so that you can preview your data stream while it's running. Now, in our source, we will execute inserts and validate that Striim successfully read the rows and inserted them on BigQuery. Next, we will update all of the rows and validate that Striim captured the updates and updated rows in BigQuery. Lastly, we will delete all of the rows in Postgres and validate all rows were captured and deleted in BigQuery. We can also view end-to-end latency as well as additional metrics such as inserts, updates, and deletes on both the Postgres source and BigQuery target component via the Monitor Progress tab. In this video, you have seen an initial load and change data capture applications from Postgres to BigQuery created and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.